Welcome to the Awesome Kid Art Hub. Let's draw a yummy ice cream cone. First, make a big cone shape, pointy at the bottom, wide at the top. Now, add scoops one on top of another, like a tall ice cream tower. Time to color. Paint the cone yellow. Now the scoops. Pink on the first scoop. Dark blue for the second. Green for the third. Yellow for the fourth. Orange for the fifth. Light blue for the sixth. And red on the very top. Wow! A rainbow ice cream! Doesn't it look super tasty? Great job! Like and subscribe for more.